So, your mechanic has reported the diesel particulate filter in your vehicle needs replacing and has presented a number of options with various costs. You probably have a few questions you'd like answered before making your choice, especially since these options range dramatically in price. Yes, the DPF is a filter, but it's very different from your engine's oil or air filter. DPFs do their job by using a thermochemical process. They're sealed units, uniquely designed and integrated with vehicle electrical and emission systems, and are a very specific component of your car. However, just like an oil or fuel filter, they have a given service life, and at some point they need replacing. This may be due to an engine fault that has resulted in DPF damage. The vehicle may not have had the opportunity to perform regular self-cleaning or regeneration, or the DPF has finally reached the end of its service life. Whatever the reason, the professionals at Ryco Filters want to help guide you through the replacement process to help make the correct decision for your vehicle, the environment and your wallet. When a vehicle is presented with a DPF warning light, either flashing or solid, the vehicle repairer will first inspect the exhaust system, engine components and onboard diagnostics to understand what circumstances have caused the DPF warning. If all exhaust and engine components appear in good condition and there are no faults recorded by the vehicle's computer system, the vehicle repairer can attempt to regenerate the DPF. Workshops that fit Ryco DPF units have access to expert-level training and technical support to ensure these steps are followed before the decision to replace the unit is reached. Knowing that the workshop takes these steps is important, so don't be afraid to ask about them. Remember, a simple DPF warning light, or even your vehicle entering a low power mode, should not be the only reason used to replace the DPF. So, the correct diagnosis of your vehicle has now been completed, and unfortunately the DPF is blocked or damaged. There now exist several repair options to choose from. Some include a straightforward replacement, others offer a DPF delete, and some will include removal, clean and refit. All of these options range in price and outcomes. An aftermarket Ryco replacement DPF that is designed to comply with the original manufacturer's efficiency, life and flow is a great alternative to the OEM replacement. The Ryco DPF is a direct fit unit, not a universal one-size-fits-all, and meets all Australian required emission standards. For peace of mind, your local vehicle repairer is able to supply and fit a Ryco DPF with locally backed assistance, technical support and warranty for your vehicle's make and model. Another option could be returning the vehicle to the dealer to have an OEM filter installed. Some upsides of this choice will generally include a factory-trained technician performing the diagnosis and repair, and the replacement parts should be available. There is generally a much higher cost to go with this option, but there is a better aftermarket choice. A Ryco replacement DPF meets the same standards as the OEM part, without the premium price. You could be offered an off-vehicle cleaning solution. Now this might sound like good value, but there are a few drawbacks to this type of repair. Generally, an off-vehicle clean requires the filter to be sent to a specialist, where it is heated to around 600 degrees for up to 12 hours. This means your car is stuck in the shop at a minimum overnight, but more than likely a few days. You need to consider the potential reduction of the DPF life after this clean. Due to the core's thermochemical properties, any chemical product used during the clean will reduce the filter's service life. Some of the cleaning solutions used can even compromise its structural integrity, causing the core to crack or dislodge. Once refitted to the vehicle, the results can be a blocked exhaust, causing expensive repairs to other essential components. This option presents a short-term solution, but in the long run, it will cost more. Some repairers may offer you a DPF core replacement program, where your damaged particulate filter is cut open and a new core is installed. Your vehicle may be spending some serious time in the workshop while this is performed. Although it may appear less expensive than a genuine replacement part, be aware that your car's DPF was originally built as a sealed for life unit and was never designed to be opened. Inserting a new core of dubious origin will disturb the insulation and heat matting, which can lead to a reduced service life and will likely allow gases to bypass the core due to its incorrect positioning. The heat matting used in some DPFs can be carcinogenic. Disturbing this type of material may cause health hazards to those performing the repair. Internet auction sites? Well, these can be very cheap alternatives. But can we trust the part we bought at a special one-time low price? Is it what it claims to be? Will it fit and deliver the same performance results from the original unit? Remember, an aftermarket solution is not just about the price of the part fitted to your car. Ryco DPFs contain the correct weight of platinum group metals, or PGMs, to enable the DPF to perform to OE specification for the life of the filter. Ryco filters offer locally based support, testing laboratories, national warranty and technical resources to ensure the best product is fitted to your vehicle. Some vehicle repairers are offering an option called a DPF delete. This is a section of pipe which is installed in place of the DPF. Let's stop there. This type of repair is not legal for any road registered vehicle in Australia. There exists serious penalties for the modification or removal of any vehicle emission control system designed to comply with the Australian design rules. DPF delete pipes fall under this category. Not only does the driver of the vehicle receive a serious fine, but the workshop that performs the removal or modification currently faces fines of over $40,000. Just like any other part in your vehicle, when faced with a DPF replacement, you need to be informed of all your options, good and bad. At Ryco Filters, we know these valuable insights will help you make the right decision. If you would like any further information, consult the Ryco DPF website or contact our customer care team today.